Okay, let's look at practice exam 2, number 7. All right, so we want to find the inverse matrix of a 2 by 2 matrix. So we have a nice formula, which is, let's say right here. So we have a formula here to find the inverse matrix. So let's go through that. So we want to find the inverse matrix of 1, 2, 1, 1. All right, so 1 over, I'm just following the formula. So A is 1, A times B, A times D minus B times C. So that's why you have 1 times 1 minus 2 times 1. All right. Then what you do is switch A and D. So in this case, it doesn't make any difference, but you put 1. So this is the D value. So put it right here. And A value is here. So you put it over here. All right. Then B and the C value, we just negate them. So it originally B value is positive 2, so you put negative 2. Right? And originally C value is positive 1, so we put the negative 1 there. Right? Then simplify that, you see that the 1 over 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So we multiply everyone by negative 1. So 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. You basically negate all, so negative 1 becomes positive 1. Positive 1 becomes negative 1. So that's how we got the inverse matrix. Right? How about part B? Part B, we want to solve this matrix equation. Right? So you try to do it like a regular algebraic equation. Right? So we want to isolate x1 comma x2. So x1 comma x2. All right. So first thing we should do is try to get rid of this matrix 3 and 4 here. So we subtract that matrix from both sides. So that's why you get the 1, 2, 1, 1 matrix times x1, x2 is equal to, right? So right hand side was 9, 9. Then you're subtracting 3, 4 matrix. So you end up with 9 minus 3 gives you 6, right? 9 minus 4 gives you 5, right? So we have 1, 2, 1, 1 times x1, x2 matrix is equal to 6, 5 matrix. All right. So what you can do is it says that we have to use the answer in A, so we have the inverse matrix. So we multiply both sides of the equation by this inverse matrix, right? Since it's an inverse matrix, it's going to cancel out, or you're going to make the identity matrix. So you're left with x1 and x2, right? So the right hand side is going to be inverse matrix times 6, 5. So we already know the inverse, which is negative 1, 2, 1, negative 1 times the 6, 5 matrix. Right, let's go through the multiplication. Right, always do multiply row by column. Right, so you do negative 1 times 6, which is right here. Right, plus 2 times 5, so which is right here. Right, which comes out to be negative 6 plus 10, so it's 4. Right, right. Then the second row is 1 times 1 times 6 is right here, plus negative 1 times 5, so it's right here. So 6 minus 5, it's 1. Right. So therefore, x comma 1, x1 comma x2 is equal to, right, 4 comma 1. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.